This is a maths practice video from AB Education, expressing a number as the product of its prime factors. If you're not sure about factors and prime numbers, try my factors and prime numbers video before watching this one. If you're happy though, we're going to look at an example. Here's the number 36. Now 4 times 9 equals 36, so we're splitting 36 into this pair of factors, 4 and 9. Neither of those are prime numbers, so we can split each of those into a pair of factors. For the number 4, we can write the factors 2 and 2 because 2 times 2 equals 4. 2, of course, is a prime number, so we'll draw a ring around each prime number. Now let's look at the number 9, and we can write 3 and 3 because 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 is a prime number, so we draw a ring around each one. The numbers with rings around them are all prime numbers, so they can't be split themselves. So we finished the job, and we can see that 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. But there's more than one way to split the 36. Look at this example. We know that 3 times 12 equals 36, so we can write 3 and 12. 3 is a prime number, so we'll put a ring around it. The number 12 is 2 times 6, so we can write 2 and 6. 2 is a prime number, so we'll put a ring around it. 6 is 2 times 3, so we write both of those. Both are primes, so we ring them. And you can see that we've got exactly the same answer as before. Putting the prime numbers in order of size, we've got 36 equals 2 times 3 times 3. We have expressed 36 as a product of its prime factors. And here's one for you to try. You could pause the video while you try it. Your task is to express the number 40 as a product of its prime factors. Don't forget there's more than one way to get the result. So here's one possible solution. 2 20s are 40. 2 is a prime number, so we'll put a ring round it. The number 20 is 2 times 10, so we can write 2 and 10. 2 is a prime number, so we'll put a ring round it. 10 is 5 times 2, so we can write both of those. Both are primes, so we ring them. Writing the prime factors in order of size, we've got 40 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. We have expressed 40 as a product of its prime factors.